Hi everyone, I'm Amber from So Majestic, and I'm excited today because my box for the fall 2023 puzzle mystery quilt from Cotton Cuts just arrived. It is their Carnival puzzle mystery quilt, and I am going to be doing a small lemonade. So if you have ordered, you should be receiving your box, or you might have already received it, and it's so cute. It says, "Caution, opening box may lead to spontaneous quilting." So if you have prepaid, yours is arriving like this. If you are doing monthly, you'll get your clue mailed to you each month. So join me as I go through this box, and thank you so much for Cotton Cuts for allowing me to be an ambassador. This is my second mystery quilt with them as an ambassador, but my third one total. So let me know if you're joining, and if you have not signed up yet, you can use my code. It is Amber Carnival, and you'll get a bonus gift on your first month. Thanks. Hi everyone. I just received my Carnival puzzle mystery quilt from Cotton Cuts. I am an ambassador, so I received all my clues at once. Look at how funny is this. Caution, opening box may lead to spontaneous quilting. So if you have pre-ordered and ordered all months up front, you will also receive a box just like this. If you are ordering monthly, then you will receive a smaller kit with your first monthly clue in it. And I know some people are still waiting for theirs. Like I said, I'm an ambassador and I just got mine. Cotton Cuts has thousands of these to send out. So please be patient. They are on the way to you. It's all about the mail and how close we live and how quickly it gets. All right, so we open it up. This will be in your box right on top, or if you are doing monthly, it will be with your first clue. This is all about your colorway. So mine is lemonade, and I'm really excited about this. I absolutely love the color teal. It's one of my favorite colors. But the mustard and brown tones, I normally don't choose. So I'm so excited about trying colors that are a little bit different for me. So if you open it up, there's all sorts of tips on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, tells you what to do if you think something is wrong, you need some help. If you are ordering monthly, it shows you the date. It is going to be the last Friday of each month. So the next clue won't ship till August 25th. There is an amazing Facebook group that I suggest you join. It's called Mystery Quilters. And Cotton Cuts itself also has a Facebook group, which I love both of them and post pretty regularly. Another email if you just have a question about anything. And on the back, this is super important. You do not want to lose this paper. I suggest taking a picture of this. So it will have your colorway, and mine's by Allison Glass, you can see. So each colorway has all the different fabrics and your binding, and they are all labeled. And this is because the clues will go by letter. So it will say sew piece A to sew piece B and show you pictures. This is important because all of us, depending on your colorway, are going to have different colored fabrics. But our clues, if you're doing small, all smalls are the same, and all large clues are the same. So this will help you. It's super important. And some of the colorways, like this one, mine are very different from each other. But if you look at the spring one that I'm doing right now, some of the fabrics look a little bit similar and can be hard to tell. So very, very helpful. Do not lose this. All right. Welcome to the Fall 2023 Puzzle Mystery Quilt Carnival. So this is really exciting. It tells you all about it. And then every month they include this card, and it is a block of the month. So you can sew one up as it's shown, or you can color in the card and you can post in the Facebook groups, and they do different prizes and drawings. So right here, see, post your completed coloring sheet by August 15th. Tells you the hashtag. This is super fun to see how everybody either colors these in or creates an actual block. And this is something new I'm so excited about. It is Cotton Cuts Flat Nancy. As a teacher, I'm very aware of Flat Stanley. So this is Flat Nancy. and it gives you all the directions. So each month, after you sew up your block, you can take a picture with your flat Nancy, and all the information is here. You can win a gift card. So this is super exciting, something really new. So if you ordered like me, all your clues are going to be in the box. So I'll show you clue one. Usually with your first clue, you get like a small gift, and you can see these gorgeous pens. So excited. I love the fading effect. I was going to say tie dye, but I think it's ombre. Oh, I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. But yeah, so I'm super excited. If you are still interested in joining, you can still sign up. Some of the colorways are sold out, but there are plenty that are still available. And if you use code Amber Carnival, I'm going to put that in the description as well, you'll get a bonus gift on your first month. So yeah, so here's our clue one, and I'll quickly just show. You can see they're all labeled each different month, and it's always a mystery. And your clue, which is your directions, will be emailed each month for you. And I wanted to show you this. So this is a additional add-on. Each colorway has a combo of Aurifil threads that you can order to match your quilt. So I have the white that I'm going to use for piecing. And then you can see these are the 3 different colors that were chosen for lemonade. There's also an option to add on your backing kit. So if you would like to purchase a coordinating fabric that for the back, there's also borders if you want to add extra borders, and an oopsies kit. So if you make a mistake, you'll have some extra. So I hope you follow along. I post on all my social medias, TikTok, Instagram, in my Facebook group. Everything is so majestic. On Instagram and TikTok, it has an underscore. Again, I'll put that in the description. And I post a tutorial on YouTube each month for how to sew up the block. So if you are sewing up a small size, even if you are not doing the lemonade colorway, you can follow along with me. So let me know what colorway you're doing, what you think, and I'm super excited.